Hello and welcome to tutorial 13 in Microsoft Visual Basic 2008. And this isn't really a tutorial, it's not really going to teach you much about programming, it's just going to teach you a little cool trick which is text to speech. So create a new project and call it text to speech. Okay, and in this we're going to use a button, so add a button. We'll just put the text as speak and then just add a text box, and we're going to make the program speak the text that is inside text box 1. I don't think you'll be able to hear it from my computer because I'm wearing a headset, but just try it out yourself and it should work. So double click speak for the code on button 1.click, and first you want to declare SAPI, dim SAPI, and then you're going to give it a value. We'll put SAPI equals create object and SAPI dot SP voice in brackets and parentheses, and then to use this all we type is SAPI dot speak and then in the parentheses text box 1 dot text. So I'm not really going to explain it because I don't think anyone would understand it really. Well, there's not much to understand, but it's not really important. So if you play this and you type something and you just press speak, this will be useful if you want like a help button in your application, and to make it speak something else you could just type where it says text box 1.text, you could just delete that, put some brackets and then type welcome to the 13th Visual Basic.net tutorial.
Welcome to the 13th Visual Basic.net tutorial.
And then it'll just speak. So this would be useful if you need, say, a help button in your application, and it would give the user instructions or anything like that. So that's the tutorial done. If you have any questions about this, then just leave a comment. If you'd like to make a request for a tutorial, just leave a comment. And if you have any suggestions about how I create my tutorials, then leave a comment too. So just rate the video right down here, and then subscribe to my channel up here for more tutorials. And thanks for watching.